I want to go some shout outs to the people. We got some people that came in the house to show us some love today. And you know we got to put their name in here because that's what we do. Let's go. The most hated run, fly power God. Still I'm over here to send a oh my gosh. Yes, I'm over here to sell me out today. People telling me saying, hey, hey, hey. Randy G, lovely one in the house. Yes, I'm over here just as quiet as a mouse. Still over here just as showing love. Still over here giving out the hugs. Let's go. I seen the CC Casey Garden in the house and I wanna see you. I'm over here today, and you know that I'ma shout it out at too. Got a hashtag fun with the voice and matters in the house. Let everybody know I'm Jay over here, the end we getting on down. Tell me each real shy, just to come and show me love. Say you wanna hear your name on a song. Said yes, I put your name on a song today, and yes, and do you know we get along? Got a Miss Queen son, kiss her over here today. Now that yes, I'm gonna talk about you. Seeing yous over there that just are grinding every time, and yes, I'm gonna shout out you. Then the RXL say she doing her thing. Do you know she liking her nails? Then the cure, cause the people's over there, and you know with a story to tell. Then the Destiny Forever Walk a PhD, so yes, she hanging out with Jay. Then yes, I'm over here, they're gonna say your name my way. So let's go. Then I wanna say your name, I'ma wanna go and show some love. Then I wanna say your name, I'ma wanna go and shout you up. Said I wanna say your name, I'ma want to say your name. I'ma over here today, I'ma here just to say your name. Then the blue chicken coming over here, showing love over here to the J. Then the Buddha of the Destiny, the number stay, and I hope you coming just to stay. Then I seen you over there, the grinding every time, and you putting in all that work. Then it lives like lesson over there today, and we still just working at work. Send 6 votes back, send a yes, I'm like that, and yeah, she's a holding it down. Said, do you know you got that same letter C, and you know we gonna hold it down. Said Reverend Terminator, yes the Terminator, and you know he doing his thing. He's over there with the AI, with the pictures and the sun, and you know what I mean. Now we got Robert, yeah, showing love in the house, showing love over here to Jay. Yes, thank you, baby. I am the Jada, and I got their words to say. So thank you, everyone.